Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Let's go ahead and start up for today's video. By the way, I ended up wrapping my hood. Check it out. Back to the original days. It looks kind of opaque. Let me show you maybe real life a little bit, okay? That's a little closer to what it looks like in person. It still looks a little bit more purple in person, but it is what it is. We're gonna go check out a soccer game right now. So I'm gonna give you guys some nighttime POV driving in the boosted G35. But one thing that's pretty cool is that the temperature here in Sacramento is rising. So my car starts for the first time now. You know how I used to crank hella? 1, 2, 3. Because it was super cold. Obviously, a lot of you guys were saying that tuning was off. Well, now it starts for the first time and it doesn't struggle as much. You see? Look at that. Perfect. So I do want to apologize to you guys. I know I haven't been going out too much right now to events and things like that, and that's because it's been around five days now that your boy caught the vid, man. We caught a case of the vid, man. Luckily, I was fine. The very first day, I had like incoming fever, and my body ached a lot, and my throat got itchy, and I kept wanting to cough. Right now, I'm chilling. Everything seems back to normal. I get occasional itch in the throat, so I do cough a little bit, very minor. But overall, I'm 95% there. But I still don't want to completely go out. I'm still gonna be wearing my mask everywhere. And I want to give it at least like half a week more so I can fully involve myself into society again. For the time being, we're gonna go ahead and give you guys some nighttime POV of the boosted G35. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's been some time since we got outside, and so I figured you guys probably enjoy this. Also, before we head out to the road, I do want to give my condolences out to the officer who passed away this morning, Friday, in Elk Grove. Or on 99 going towards Elk Grove. Listen to this, guys. There was a guy who was driving on the freeway on the opposite side, my guy, and a police officer who was on a motorcycle, I believe, on a bicycle. He ended up hitting that freaking drunk driver, and obviously he was in critical condition. They took him to the hospital, and the guy didn't make it. Guys, do not drink. Come on, man. I drink, and you figure I want to drive my car. I do not. Whenever I drink, I cancel my car. I throw my keys away or something, but never drink and drive, guys. Never. Let's move it. What are you doing, sir? What are you doing? Damn it, bro. This is why I hate people like this, bro. You just blocked the whole damn... Recently, I've been kind of in a dilemma, guys. So you guys know we got this G35. I kind of went ham on it, and you know, there's things I can do to it. There's a lot of things I can do. I can chrome the whole engine bay. I can buy carbon fiber fenders. I can buy so many things still. Like the project is not done, right? But it's more like a perfecting thing. Like, I feel like overall the build is majority done, and now we're just nitpicking and like perfecting it, right? And so I don't know if I'm necessarily interested in perfecting the build, and so I would rather start a new build, and which is why I'm kind of waiting on the 400Z. I'm waiting on the 400Z. I think it'll be an awesome place to pick up from the G35. And so I'm kind of waiting on it. I don't know when it's going to come out. It says spring 2022, but other people are telling me that it's going to be delayed because of the supply shortage and everything. So I'm not entirely sure when that's going to come. And so right now I'm kind of in a pickle because I want to save a lot of my money for the car. I want to save. Let me do this pull for you guys. Give me a second. Take off EDC. this is the perfect temperature. Around 60 degrees is the perfect temperature. Let me put my windows up. But as I was saying earlier, guys, I think the 400Z would be a perfect place to pick up the G35 build. I don't know when it's gonna come out, and I'm in this thing where I've spent so much money on the G35 that kind of just focusing on just raising the bag for myself. Okay, so obviously I don't want to just completely stop YouTube, because once I stop YouTube, then it's going to be really hard to pick back up. So I do not want to let it go, and I do not want to leave you guys just hanging. So I will never do that. And I will always try my best to push out content for you guys. So if there's anything specific you guys want to see, feel free to let me know. But like I said, I am concentrated right now on I'm saving a lot of money right now. One of the reasons why I want to save a lot of money is, one, I'm in the middle of trying to help my parents purchase their first property. So I'm saving money for that. I'm saving money for the 400Z. And the only other thing that I would really go after would be some carbon fenders, but I don't know, man. I'm still kind of undecisive on the fenders. But yeah, guys, I do want to hear a lot of your input right now. Right now is kind of when I need you guys the most. What do you guys think I should put yourself in my position? You're trying to save a lot of money to purchase a house and purchase a 400Z when it does come out. And I don't also just want to save up money to just dump it on the car. Like, I mean, like, to buy the car. I want to put some money to buy the car and have a lot of cash left over to buy mods to modify the 400Z of that. So I don't know if it's worth it right now to spend on the G35. That's just my opinion. But if you guys feel otherwise, feel free to let me know what kind of mods can I buy. Maybe there's still some inexpensive mods out there. I'll be more than happy to check it out and see if I cop. So let me know and I'll check it out. But there's a lot of traffic right now. There's a lot of traffic because of that incident that I was talking about earlier with the officer. The freeway is over here, and so the line's probably backed up right now. Shout out to that guy. Woo! Nice little pull for that guy. Nice little pull. Hell yeah, dude. Always. If y'all see me on the road and y'all want me to do a pull, I don't care if I'm low on gas. I'll do that shit for you. Hell yeah. I like the sound of this, because when you pull and you shift, it feels like something's fucking sucking the air out of the universe, creating some kind of black hole. It's intense, bro. I don't know if the video captures it well, but oh, there was a flashlight there. But hell yeah, shout out to that guy. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna conclude the video here, but once I recover, I'll definitely go outside a little bit more and go to events and see what's good out there. But for the time being, I'm gonna throw my ass in my room and play some more COD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for supporting the videos. It means so much, especially while I'm putting a lot of effort into my job as well. I'm trying to manifest, man. I'm trying to create my future, guys. I need to create my future. I need to make a living for myself. I need to move out of this damn house. I've been in my parents' house for the longest, so I'm trying to really focus on my future. I'm trying my best to bring you guys up with me. I'm trying my best to keep the channel alive, but at the same time, I do gotta focus on my future. So bear with me if things are not going the way, or if the videos are not as good as they were before. I promise they will get better, and I will try my best to bring you guys up with me. I will never give up on you guys. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.